So I'm going to be starting a makeup rolling project 10 pan. It's going to be all year round, and these are the first 10 products that I've chosen to try and get through. So yeah, stay tuned and we'll go through what I've chosen out of my collection. Hi there guys, and welcome. I hope you're all doing absolutely fantastic today. Today's video is a little bit late. I wanted to do this at the beginning of January, but it's more than halfway through the month, but better late than never. Yeah, today's video, it's new for my channel. I want to do a rolling project 10 pan that's going to last all year long. No matter what, there is constantly going to be 10 items in my project 10 pan, and it's all makeup. So just to give you a little example, I have been through my makeup collection. I've chosen 10 products, and basically it's products that are nearly used up. I finally want to basically get all of those products and get them out of my collection, but I don't want to waste them. I want to use them. So I'm hoping this project is going to give me a kick up the arse that I need so I can get to using them. So let's go through the 10 products that I have chosen. So when a product has finally been used up and removed from my project 10 pan, I will go in my makeup collection and see what else is in there that has a little bit of product in we can get rid of. I really want to get moving and getting rid of some of the drips and drabs I've got in my drawer. So when I was picking my 10 products, I had in my mind, oh, let's try and get a full face of makeup. When we come to bin one, I can choose anything in there, but yeah, I just thought let's start it off with a full face. It's sort of a full face, you'll see. The first product I have chosen is this. It is a primer by the brand Anna Sue. It's really weird. So on here it just says Anna Sue Gel Foundation Primer. It is so bizarre. It's like a gel stroke jelly stroke weird thing. Can you see the way that moves? Really bizarre. I think I've only used it like once or twice, so I haven't nearly panned it. I'm kind of cheating with this one, but I chose it because it's small and I just want to get rid of it. So yes, we have that to use. Even though it's small, it's gonna be hard for me. I hardly use primers, which I suppose is kind of naughty, so let's give it a go. Next, I have this. It is a concealer. So it is by the brand Body Collection. So I just went into Wilkinson's and bought this. I haven't used concealer in ages. I used to always wear concealer, and I've kind of stopped. I just wear foundation now. But yeah, you can see it is nearly empty. I might as well just get it used up and get it out of my collection. So yes, that is next on my list I want to get rid of. I wasn't sure whether to put a foundation in the project 10 pan, but I thought with this one I will. I might have another one after this, after I've used this, because normally I don't have a problem using my foundations. I can go through quite a lot of foundations, but I generally get a feel for a foundation and I kind of keep buying the same one over and over. This one I've had in my collection a while. It is the Bare Mineral Bare Pro. And yeah, it's in the shade Cashmere. I've used it a few times. I've actually done a review on this. I will link that just there for you, so go and check it out. And it's kind of just been sitting in my drawer. Go watch the review. I'm not going to tell you now, right this instant, if I like it or if I hate it. But no matter what, I want to get it used. I don't want to be wasteful. So yes, I thought this would be good in my 10 pan. I thought I'd pop a little powder in here. It is a teeny tiny little powder. It's by W7 and it's Banana Dreams Loose Powder. I don't even think I've tried this, to be honest. It is open, it's there, but I thought with the size of it, again, let's get it used up and get it out. I use powder every day, so it shouldn't take long to get this used up. And just to say as well, I'm going to do a monthly update on my rolling project 10 pan, so I can show you how much I've used of a product, if I've used something up, what I've replaced it with. I am going to off screen do measurements for all of these, So I'll do some photographs of each product and I will weigh them as well, so we have that to go off as well. This is a blusher and it is it's literally falling apart. You can see it's nearly done. So hopefully that's not going to take too long to use up so I can get it out of my collection. It's by Essence and it's just called The Blush in the shade Beamin'. So yeah, I am sick of the lid always constantly falling off all the time, so it will be good to get this out of my hair. Next we have highlighter. This is by Body Collection also, and I have a running theme. I have a thing of breaking lids apparently. This highlighter is lovely. It's really nice. I have a tendency of putting too much highlighter on. I can pile it on and then before I know it, it's like I've put way too much on. With this, you can pile it on and pile it on and pile it on. It doesn't look overdone, I don't think, in any way. But yeah, you can see I have panned it. You can see the bottom of it there. That has actually taken a while to get to that stage, so I wonder how long it'll take for me to use that up. We shall see. I have a bronzer. I don't use bronzer too often, but yes, this one is by Wet n Wild and it is Colour Icon. It just says bronzer. Does it have a shade? I don't think it does. I haven't got no idea. Oh yeah, it does. Bikini Contest. And oh, the lid's still on this one, so we're good. Again, I've got to pan. So yeah, we'll try and get rid of that. It's quite a big bulky thing, so it will be nice to get this out of my collection. It's actually quite a nice light bronzer. It's not too dark. Obviously I'm fair. So next I thought I wanted to add some form of eyeshadow in here. I didn't really have a whole eyeshadow palette because I thought that would probably take all year to get to using, whereas I want to concentrate on my little products. So I found this little single one in my collection. I don't know what shade it is because it has rubbed off, but it's like a cool tone and I have hit pan on it. You can see it is cool tone. It has a slight shimmer to it, so it's like quite a natural looking one. It's really pretty. So yeah, I was looking through my lipsticks and I found this one. It's by Catrice, Catrice Cosmetics, and this is in shade 020 Full of Strength. It is very nice shade, a nice neutral colour. It looks beautiful on the lips, again for a nice natural look, which is just me really. Yeah, so oh, I didn't show you how much was in there properly, so that's how much we've got to go on that one. Not too much. It won't take too long to use that if I remember to use it every day, fingers crossed. I just have to get in my head, the more that I use these products and get rid of them, I can replace them with more and start getting through my products that I do actually have. So yeah, I actually really like that. It actually feels gorgeous on the lips, really nice and creamy. The last product I have in my Project 10 pan is this. So this is by Benefit and it is the Pore Professional Super Setter. There's not much left in there. Oh, it's about up to here actually, just under halfway. It's really nice. I use setting spray every day and I can go through setting spray no problem at all. The reason I put this in here is because it's by Benefit and it can be quite pricey. I've been basically neglecting it because I don't want to use it because it's expensive and I want to try and get out of that mindset. I've got it, it's there to use if I've got it. So there are my 10 products that I want to use. So let's just have a recap. So we have the Anna Sue primer. We have the Body Collection concealer. We have the Bare Minerals foundation. We have the W7 banana powder. We have the Essence blush. We've got the Body Collection highlighter. We've got the Wet n Wild bronzer. The Lord & Berry single eyeshadow. The Catrice lipstick, and the Benefit setting spray. I think what I'm going to do, because I've started this more than halfway through the month, I am going to be doing my monthly updates at the end of every month. I'll have to write that down so I don't forget. So yeah, I am going to head away. I'm going to take photos of each product. I am going to weigh each product as well, just so we can have a more detailed approach to this. So yes, I'm excited to make some room in my drawers and to get using products. I must have obviously liked these products to use them to actually hit pan on most of them. So yeah, it shouldn't be hard, right? That concludes this video. I will see you at the end of next month for an update. Bye.